Welcome to this tutorial on how to install Burp Suite Professional on Windows. So we can open your browser and type Burp Suite Professional version 2022 8.5. Click on the first official link. Now open page. Save the JR file, then download. After download complete, navigate to YouTube description and download the Burp Loader zip file. Here is the Burp Loader zip file. Now extract the After extract, now you see the Burp Loader JR file. Copy the Burp Suite Pro version here. Ensure that both files are on same folder. Open the burploader.jr file. Here you see the version 2022 8.5 JR. Click the Run button. After run, the professional Burp Suite is open. Here you see the license field. Copy the license key. You can select and click Ctrl C for copy. Here paste Ctrl V and click the next and click manual activation. Here you can copy the request and paste it on activation request. Here you got activation response. Copy it, Ctrl C and paste here, Ctrl V. Then click next. Now you successfully installed on Burp Suite on your system. Here you got. You can follow this process for any time when you launch Burp Suite. Thank you.